What is modern economics? There's a term in economics known as econometric. One is, don't be scared of this word. कोई डरने की चीज नहीं है. It is just econo from economy, metric like metric tons, weight in kilograms or weight in pounds, height in centimeters or height in inches. It is just a metric. Now, what is economics, modern economics? Modern economics आपको क्या बताती है? What does it tell you? Well, modern economics is the allocation of limited resources. Basic definition of modern economics that I'm giving you right now is the allocation of limited resources. Those limited resources are skilled labor, capital investment, which is in machinery or factory, or in agriculture, it is the plowing machines and the tractors and the produce from the land, like crops, fruits, vegetables, and everything. It is these are the things which are limited. And capital as in money. Capital, we call it as the human capital as well. We call it money, which is also called capital as well. Capital we also call these infrastructure of buildings and machineries, that is also. So we are allocating these limited resources to in order what we should produce, what the economy, economy of that country should produce, how to produce it, and for whom to produce it. For whom there are people, the different demographics. The young adults, the elder people, the babies and everything, for which market segment to choose from and what to produce, for whom to produce. This is the basic definition of modern economics.